Hintay sa mapakailan ng Diyos lang. Mamay kapatawaran. Kung magkamali sa utok na sandali o magtitindi, sige lang. Sige, 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 sige lang.
Siguro mga 5 metro pa ang layo niya sa stage, no? Dahil medyo mahaba-haba pa yung reception line na na-form. At sana kung wala tayong ginagawa na bumita sa reception line ang pang-swerte ng mga diplomat, makikis nila, makalitan po nila yung sisi ng mahalagang tupapa, mag-greet nila personally ang mahalagang tupapa, and I'm sure meron silang kanya-kanyang mga intentions. Jessica, mula sa kinaranasan ng nakikita sa parang mukha ng mga napapasyalan ng Angelique, medyo di kita narinig ng klaro doon. Ano?
Give it up for Ali Buendia and his band. Hello, Sir Ali.
Kasama pa rin niya si Pangulong Ramos.
Yes. Good evening, and to everyone that is currently tuned in right now here on the concert series. I am once again Kayla Rivera taking over for Rico Robles for this week, and oh my gosh, Sir Ali, hello and welcome back to the Monster. Yes, yes. So I mean, you know, you were last here in September, and since then your album is out. So Method Adapter has come out last November. Yes. I know, yeah. So much has happened, and I'm sure you've been so busy. Along with your band, I want to actually take this chance
to my band, the Methodists, are here right now with me. I'd like to introduce them if I may. On keyboards, this is Ryan Goan.
Parang ganun din ang nangyayari ngayon hapon dito, no? Kanina ang init-init, pero nung dumating ang po, para tayo nasilungan lang.
On drums, Pat Sarabia, of course.
Malapit-lapit pa sila sa stage at expected.
On bass, Bijan Gorospe.
Welcome remarks ng ating presidente at of course ang arrival statement ng His Holiness.
And on lead guitar, Jerome Velasco.
Sasalita siyempre si Pangulong Ramos sa kanyang welcome remarks. And that will be followed by the opening remarks of the Pope, no?
Binabati ko yung mga taga-offshore music, lalo na si Audrey, yung sa nakikinig ngayon.
Okay, yes, so thank you very much to everyone that's currently tuned in, and I mean, of course, to you, Sir Ali. So I mean, you know, since the album has been released, how has it been? I'm sure you've been very busy on tour.
Well, syempre, I've been busy with promoting the album.
One thing about what's happening here at the reception line, Bob,
I hope to
the Pope
tour
has
the
made
album Method Adapter sometime in the summer. So, I'll update everyone sa social media ko. It's still in the planning stages, but I think it's going to be really exciting because I'm going to get to play with bands that I like and some friends also, and hopefully makatour ako not only in Manila but also sa the whole country.
I'm sure all of your fans right now are agreeing and hoping that you can come to them as well. But I mean, going back to the album and, you know, Method Adapter, what was the inspiration behind it? And actually just even the title, what was the inspiration behind the title?
Well, I've been reading up on the creative processes of not just musicians but also actors, kasi I'm very passionate about film, and I got inspired by by how they parang create performances. So yeah, that's the inspiration behind the title.
Have you ever thought about transitioning into film and directing or doing anything like that?
I've done a couple of films. I've directed this movie called Bang Bang Ami early 2000s. I've also dabbled into acting, but I'm more comfortable actually writing scripts and directing. I'm more comfortable behind
ka. At tingnan natin kung sino pa ang
Okay, so I
kasama
mean,
nila sa entablado.
you know, with this being your sophomore album, your first one was 25 years ago.